Hey, so this is my video response for the Cutlerylover contest for the Zippo Halloween lighter. Had some trouble finding a background to this, but I just remembered. Well, I have this little knife here, so I'm holding the camera one-handed. And I just decided, just have it in the backdrop there with the bald eagle to the side. Oh, and while we're on the subject of knives, I'm not actually American, but I saw it, I thought it was pretty. But Jeff, I know that you want to accommodate your international viewers. I'm European, by the way. And then you give measures in millimeters. And that's good, because we know what millimeters are, but it's unusual for people to, actually use that besides for very precise measurements. For example, you wouldn't say that something that is 2 inches long is 24/12 of an inch long, right? So, centimeters usually is the most common used term, but I'm digressing. Anyway, the 5 videos where we found your backwards tag, which was a very weird backwards tag, but can't pronounce it, were the Benchmade 42 knife review. Great one. Can't believe you have it one, but still great. The flash torch trick. Never tried that one. The Glock trigger safety video part 1. The cooking shrimp scampi. God, if I liked shrimp, I'd make that recipe. And the bushcrafting video on flint and steel. I found it on those 5, so no, I hope I win. Nah, in all seriousness, I live abroad and I know times are tough, Jeff, so maybe I'll go for someone else, but still, want to make the response. So, hope you have a great week and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.